Hello everyone, class 5 maths lesson 2 shapes and angle, and the topic is angle. Objective of this session is to learn about point, line segment, ray, angles, types of angles, naming and identifying angles, and to be familiar with divider and the protractor. So what is a point? In common language we call them dots. It is exact location or position. Like all of you have some names. We may also name these points as point A, point B, point X, point Y, point Z, accordingly, whatever you like. Line. Here are some examples of lines. Line M, line L, line N. The arrows at their both sides show that they keep on growing. These arrows shows that they keep on growing. They have no end point and no fixed length, so it cannot be measured. Line segment. Line segment is part of a line. It has definite length which can be measured. It has two endpoints. So accordingly we may name them as line segment AB, line segment XY, etc. Ray. A ray has one starting point and the arrow. The arrow shows that it grows on the other side. For example, ray R, ray S. Angles. When two rays start from a common point, it forms an angle. The rays are the two arms of the angle and the common point is called the vertex. Here O is the vertex and OA and OB are arms of the angle AOB. Depending upon the positions of the arms of an angle, there are different types of angle. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, and zero angle. We measure angles in degrees. This L-shaped angle is a right angle. Here a vertical ray is standing upright on a horizontal ray, forming an angle of 90 degree. Right angle always measures 90 degree. This is an acute angle. It is smaller than the right angle. This is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is bigger than the right angle. It is a bigger angle. Straight angle is formed when two rays are positioned at the opposite sides. These two rays, they are positioned at the opposite sides and they are forming a straight angle. It is twice the right angle. It forms an angle of 180 degree. Then zero angle. As the name shows, it measures 0 degree. The two rays overlap each other. The two rays overlap each other here. Then complete angle and reflex angle. Here angle AOB is showing two angles. One at the inner side and other one at the outer side. Inner side it forms an obtuse angle. Here it is forming an obtuse angle. At the outer side it forms a reflex angle. So inner one is the obtuse angle AOB and outer one is reflex angle AOB. Reflex angle measures greater than 180 degree. Let's identify the angles. Angle AOC and angle BOC. These are right angles. Arm OC stands vertically upright, forming a 90-degree angle with arm OA and OB, and also these two are right angles. They are angle arms OA and OB. They are positions opposite in this figure. So we clearly find that this is an straight angle. A straight angle is twice right angle. Straight angle measures 180 degree. Angle AOD is an obtuse angle. It is bigger angle. It measures more than 90 degree. Angle BOD is a smaller angle. It measures less than 90 degree. It is an acute angle. You may have seen an angle tester in your geometry box. We call it is a divider. In this chapter, we are mainly concerned with three basic types of angles: right angle, obtuse angle, and the acute angle. So a divider we can be used here to identify the type of angles. In the first picture, it is forming an acute angle less than 90 degree. Second, third, and fourth picture, they are forming a right angle. And the last one, it is more than 90 degree. It is forming an obtuse angle. The hands of the clock also form different angles at different times. Here is an acute angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle. These angles are being formed by the hands of the clock. So have a look at your wall clock and find which angle is being formed there in your wall clock. Draw hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than a right angle, means acute angle. So there are some examples. The hands of the clock at 12:10, 3:20 and 6:40, they are forming acute angles. There are many more. So you should also draw a few like this: acute, acute and acute angle. Measuring an angle. How to measure the angle? The angle is measured in degrees. The instrument in your box, geometry box, that is used to measure angle is called protractor. Commonly we call it as D because it looks like D or semicircle. It has a center point and degrees from 0 to 180. It shows the reading of degrees. This is a protractor. This is center point. Center point is placed over the vertex of the angle, and one ray should coincide with zeros. The position of other ray help us to read the angle. Like this ray is showing the angle more than 40 degree. This is 90 degree, which is a measure of a right angle. Right angle is always equal to 90 degree. There are two rays lying opposite to each other. They are forming a straight angle, which is always 180 degree. There are small divisions, these small divisions all over the protector. They are called degrees. These divisions are shown twice, one inner circle at the inner side from 0 to 180 and other outer from 0 to 180 from the left side. This is from the right side, and outer one from the left side. If we measure an angle from the right side, we note down the inner reading. अगर हम right side से measure कर रहे हैं angle like this, we will note down the inner reading, this one. And if we measure the angle from the left side, we'll note down the outer reading. Thus this angle is showing the reading of 20 degree. This angle is 20 degree. For this angle, we'll use inner reading, this one. Inner reading again for this angle. Inner reading is showing about 160 degree. On the left side, this is an angle of 20 degree. Use outer side for the reading here. It forms an angle here of about 138 almost. Outer reading should be used here because this angle is being formed from the left side, which is an obtuse angle. So I think you have understood the use of the protractor, how to use a protractor to find the angles. Now if such two protractors are joined from here and they are placed like this, it makes a complete circle. It makes a complete circle. Two protractors means 2 times 80. One protractor has a measure of 180 degree, other one is also have 180 degrees. So two protractor means 180 plus 180, that is 360. It is an example of a complete angle. A complete angle always measures 360 degree. So I hope you have understood fully by now. Thank you.